Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mr. Gill, and you're tuned into Mr. Boss 001, your daily edge in the fast-moving world of markets and technology. Today is no ordinary day on Wall Street. Tech stocks are on fire, breakouts left, right, and center, and if you're an investor, trader, or just someone who likes a good stock market drama, you're going to love what we have in store for you. Let's jump straight into today's top breakout movers, and I promise by the end of this bulletin, you'll know exactly why these stocks are catching everyone's attention. First up, Resideo Technologies, ticker REZ. Now this one isn't a household name like Apple or Google, but today it's making the kind of move that traders dream about. On the charts, Resideo has just broken through what analysts call its Adhisthana Chakra Phase 9 breakout pattern, a strong bullish signal. Translation? This stock could be gearing up for a sustained rally. Momentum traders are already circling, and the volume spike today suggests they're jumping in with both feet. If you've been watching home technology and smart solutions companies, keep an eye on this one. It's showing all the signs of a technical breakout. Now, from home tech to clean energy tech, Array Technologies, ticker ARI. This solar tracking systems company surged more than 10% in a single day. The interesting thing, there's no big fundamental news, no surprise earnings, no major new contracts announced. This is pure technical and momentum-driven buying. Sometimes the market just gets into a stock and doesn't let go. And with the world talking more and more about renewable energy, companies like Array are in the sweet spot. Traders see the chart breaking resistance, they pile in, and the stock takes off like the sun rising. Let's hop over to the international scene. So Young International, ticker SYO. This is a Chinese online platform focused on medical aesthetics. Today, it's up 6.4%, a solid gain. But here's the twist. The technical signals were actually mixed. That means this wasn't a perfect setup, yet investors still poured in. Sometimes moves like this happen because of sector sympathy. When one stock in a sector moves, others follow. Or it could be local investor sentiment shifting. Either way, it's now on the radar of traders who love catching early momentum before it becomes a headline. Back in the US, fintech favorite SoFi Technologies, ticker SOFI, continues to shine. The stock is inching closer to the $24 mark. What's driving this? Two big forces, the ongoing buzz around cryptocurrency and growing expectations of Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. Lower rates mean cheaper borrowing, and that can supercharge growth for fintech platforms like SoFi. This stock has been in a breakout pattern for weeks now, and the fact that it's holding its gains is a bullish sign in itself. Now, the big surprise of the day, Willdan Group, ticker WLDN. This stock absolutely exploded, up over 30% after delivering blockbuster Q2 earnings. The driving force? Demand from AI-powered data centers. That's right, artificial intelligence isn't just benefiting chip makers like NVIDIA. It's creating huge opportunities for companies that build, maintain, and optimize the infrastructure behind those AI systems. Willdan may not be the flashiest name in AI, but today's move proves that in the stock market, sometimes the hidden players get the biggest rewards. And finally, slightly outside our pure tech focus, Citigroup, ticker C. Why mention a big bank in a tech breakout segment? Because technically speaking, Citigroup is flashing one of the strongest breakout setups in the market right now, a perfect 10 out of 10 for trend strength and a 9 for setup quality. Financials often move in waves, and if Citigroup keeps up this momentum, it could add more fuel to the overall market rally we've been seeing. So, to recap, Resideo, Array Technologies, So Young International, SoFi, Willdan Group, and even Citigroup, today's breakout stars. From clean energy to fintech to AI infrastructure, these moves tell one clear story. The market loves innovation, momentum, and opportunity, no matter where it comes from. We'll be watching these stocks closely over the next few sessions to see if today's surge turns into a longer-term rally. I'm Mr. Gill, and this has been your Tech Breakout Special on Mr. Boss 001. Stay informed, stay ready, and most importantly, stay ahead of the curve. Good night.